In this video, we will learn how to install the current MongoDB version on Windows. So let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type MongoDB and press enter. The official website is visible, mongodb.com. Click on it. Here is the official website. Directly click the products menu, and here different products related to MongoDB are visible. We will go for the open source community edition, so click on it. Now here is the community edition. Go below, select download community, go below again, and here your current version of MongoDB is visible. Okay, so we will download the MSI package only, and it is available for Windows x64. So it will work for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. I'll click the download button. The download started. Let's wait. It's only 756 MB. We have downloaded the installer file for MongoDB. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the setup will start. The setup started. Click next. Accept the terms. Click next. Here you need to choose the setup type. Go for complete or custom. I'll go for the complete one. Now here service configuration is visible. Keep it as it is. The service name is MongoDB. The data directory is a directory where your databases will get saved, and log is a directory where your log files will get saved. That is logs. So it is under program files MongoDB folder. Click next. Install MongoDB Compass. So it is a UI to work with MongoDB. So we will also install this. Keep it as it is. Install MongoDB Compass and click next. Ready to install? Click install. Now MongoDB will get installed. We have installed MongoDB. Click finish. It also started with MongoDB Compass. You can click start here. Okay. Let us set the path also. Minimize. Go to the path where we installed MongoDB. C drive, program files. Here it is, MongoDB. Click on it. Click on the server 8.2 bin. Copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Under edit the system environment variables, click open. Click environment variables. Now under system variables, double click path. Click new and paste the same path. Here it is. We have pasted it. Click OK. OK. And the last OK. Now we have installed MongoDB successfully. We will now install MongoDB shell, which is used to interact with MongoDB deployments. Go to the browser. Type MongoDB shell and press enter. Click on the first link. Here is the official website, and this is used to download MongoDB shell. Go below. The current version is visible and it is available for Windows x64 10 plus, that means Windows 10 and Windows 11. We will select the MSI file and click download. Now MongoDB shell will download. Let's wait. We have downloaded the MongoDB shell MSI installer. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Click next. Here you need to select the destination folder. Keep it as it is, but I'll uncheck this so that MongoDB shell gets installed for the entire system. Click next. Click install. Now MongoDB shell will get installed. Click finish. Now let us verify the installation of MongoDB and create our first database in MongoDB. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Here type MongoDB --version and press enter. Here it is, we successfully installed the current MongoDB version. Okay, go to start and type cmd again. Click open. Now let us type mongo sh, that means MongoDB shell. Press enter. Now here it is. It's visible. We installed MongoDB as well as MongoDB shell. Okay, now let us show the default databases and create a new one. Type show dbs command and press enter. So these are the default databases provided by MongoDB. Okay, to create a new database, type use and the database name. Let's say our new database name is AmitDB. You can add any name. Press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully created a new database. That means switched to database AmitDB. Within the database, let us create a new collection. So consider collection as a table. Type the command db.create collection and within that mention the name of the collection you want. Let's say I want a students collection. I'll press enter and this will create a new collection. Here it is. So for a free MongoDB tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have created databases, tables and different documents, that is added records with all the operations.